Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mama Sagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 24 hanggang July 31 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Pero guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Pisces. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information. Ano kayong gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? Tutuklasin natin at alamin natin anong bulabog at messages sa iyo ng ating Angel Spirit. Eto na, now na. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. So this is something a 6 of Wands. Wow, una baraha, panalo kagad. So this is something a victory is yours, no? Kumbaga pinapakita dito na maaring mamamayagpag ka, maaring kumbaga mapapanalo mo lahat ng laban na tatahaking mo. No? So, let's see additional messages. And of course, this is something a higher fan. Now, this is the High Priestess, sorry. This is the High Priestess. And of course, there's a Moon card. Oh my God, there's an intuitions. My goodness. Now, this is something, okay, my God. Parang biglang tumalas ang iyong kaisipan dito or something, ang iyong pakiramdam. Inner voice represent as six senses, no? Maaaring lumakas ang iyong pakiramdam, lumakas ang iyong spiritual, no? Nakakayanan. This is something a spiritual activation rather, no? Maaaring nagkaroon ng kumbaga paglabas ng katangian or kakayanan, no, inside your third eye. This is something the temperance for a perfect timing for you, no? This is time for healing, no? And this is the perfect timing for you to being calm, no? Kailangan maging kalmado. Additional messages. So this is the Four of Pentacles to protect your power, protect your energy, saving money, guys. No, kailangan nyo mag-imbak, mag-ipon, no? At magtipid. Iwasan ko ano yung mga pinagbibili walang kabuluhang bagay. And because this is something 8 of Wands for fast communication and fast movement. So bibilis ang takbo ng eksena at magdadala sa ito ng something yung travel, information, messages, and phone calls, no? And email. So let's see additional messages. And because this is something a tool ko with a partnership. So, may partnership din dito, guys, ha? Maaaring magdala sa'yo ng higher level commitment or something a partnership for trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. So, let's see what is the 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands represent the Devil card. Oh my goodness. Susubukan itong no, parang pigilan, no? Ang pagyabang mo, no? O yung pag-asenso mo or pag-usad mo, no? There's something, kumbaga, greedy or something, a temptation or toxic situation or toxic attitudes, or rather, guys, this is a toxic behavior, no? Or guys, this is something a black magic symbol with the Devil card. Okay, the High Priestess and the Moon card. Kaya lumabas tong chapter, lumabas tong the Moon card, the High Priestess, because this is something a hidden agenda, that because of the Devil card. Okay, thank you, just for that. And because this is something that ten of cups with a happiness. And there's a family related na maaring kumbaga family issues or something a family related, of course. At yung sinasabi na maaring konektado, no, ng family or maaring inggit sa pamilya or maaring pamilya yung kumbaga ang gumagawa sa eksena na to or maaring kumbaga may lihim na inggit pala sa pamilya mo. The Temperance represent what? Represent the Queen of Pentacles. So this is something a practicality. Now, there's a good sense pagdating sa intervenor. And of course, sinasabi dito na unti-unti na magiging kalmado, no? Magiging maayos ang iyong kalagayan pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. The Four of Pentacles represent the Empress card for a revert, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti mo nang, kumbaga, papangalagaan ng grounds mo. Even your territory, even yourself. This is something a self-love. The 8 of Wands represent the Hangman, no? This is something stuck No, this is something a trouble. No, gusto mo mag-trouble but eventually there's delays or stuck. No, nakakaranas ka ng delay and of course cancellations dahil din sa devil card. No, kumbaga kung nahahatak niya yung energy, guys. No, merong talagang kung maano dito, there is something evil eye contract, guys. This is a Two of Cups represent the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. So may mga bagay dito na mag-harvest ka with a partnership. No, mag-ingat ka lang dito sa mga taong naiinggit sa'yo. No, stop posting by social media. Okay, this is something a friend of yours or something family related na maaaring naiinggit behind your back. Okay, let's see what is the Six of Wands because the Devil card. So this is the Queen of Swords, a bigger picture. Lagi mo tinitingnan dapat dito yung possibilities or this is something lagi nakasubaybay sa'yo. Okay. Na tinitingnan niya lagi yung bawat galawan mo. Kasi, kumbaga, nandun ka sa point na pag ginusto mo talaga na isa sa kataparan mo, no? Kumbaga, competitive ka eh. No, competitive ka talaga. But eventually, guys, no, kumbaga, itong tao na to is something, nagtitrigger sa kanyang inggit. This is something to observe with an indecision. Na may mga bagay na nahihirapan ka rin mag-decide. That because of confusion na ginawa dito ng the Devil card. So, let's see what is the Temperance and the Queen of Pentacles. So, this is something a Four of Cups may re-evaluate or analyze. May mga bagay na kailangang pag-isipan. Kaya sinasabi maging kalmado ka eh. Kasi may mga bagay na baka pag-desisyon na magkaroon ng regret or something disappointment at the end of the time. So, this is a good sense pagdating sa interview or pagdating sa business or investment. You need to be wise, no? Additional messages with the Four of Pentacles and because the Empress card. So, this is something an emperor that be mature enough in being grounded. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Napangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Napangalagaan mo yung finances mo. No? Even your love life. No? This is something an emperor, kumbaga, napaka-standard nito eh. Parang napaka-taas nito ng, kumbaga, hindi siya kagad nagpapautod. Bagkos alam niya yung posibilidad ng mga ganap. No? This is something a King of Cups. No? There's a devoted supportive person. Pati yung person mo, there's a stock. No? And there, suddenly guys, kumbaga may biglaan din dito maaring makipapansin mo sa kanya, minsan lutang talaga siya or madalas na lutang yung person mo. No? Okay, there's something, messages, an email. No? Maaring baga may humaharot din or may gumagawa ng, yun nga, no? There's something gayuma here. Na maaring ginagayuma yung person mo dito. There's something, phone call messages na tatanggap. Maaring nakita mo to or nahuli mo sa social media. Okay, so let's see what is the Two of Cups because the Seven of Pentacles represent the full card. So see, this is something a leap of faith. Na sinusubukan na pananampalataya at tiwala mo dito, there's something consequences. Be aware guys ha, maaaring kumbaga ikaw rin nagkaroon dito ng third party or something, an action with an flirt, no? This is something bounce back. Maaaring kumbaga bumalik lang din sa yung ginawa mo. And because meron din ako nahatak dito with an energy na the full card is something a new beginning, no? This is a harvest time pagdating sa partnership niyo dalawa. May good side, may bad sides ako na sense dito. And of course, pinaka-outcome for you is the Ace of Pentacles. So, this is something a big money and big opportunity. Malaking finances na papasok dito ha. Kumbaga, road to something a new beginning. This is something a harvest time. Now, this is something a nest here na maaring may opportunity nakatago dyan na maaring kumbaga fin-reserve for you. So, let's see additional messages with an outcome. Nagre-represent the Ace of Cups. See, this is the Ace of Pentacles. And because the Ace of Cups, nagre-represent the love life and career. So, this is something alas. No? Maaring kumbaga, itong opportunity sa iyo is something, a big, no? A big opportunities within love life and career. Additional messages. And this is a judgment, no? A wake up call for your inner calling. You need to pay attention. Na kailangan mong gumising dito na may mga bagay na kailangan mong ayusin, alisin, waksiin, no? Ano additional, baguhin daw. May mga bagay na kailangan kang baguhin dito. And because this is something a Six of Swords, no? Kailangan nyo makalis sa situation. At kailangan nyo, this is something meron ako na sense din dito guys na magkaroon ng relocations. Okay. So let's see additional messages tayo about naman tayo sa career. So, career finances represent the Five of Cups. Now, this is something a regret or disappointment. Na may mga bagay dito na panghihinayangan mo. This is a strength card na you need to boost your confidence. And of course, kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo dito, no? additional messages with the sun card na makikita mo ang liwanag o makikita mo yung kalalabasan ng eksena to. Positive thought create a positive result. Na always think positive on being optimistic. Na kailangan na positibo ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Iwasan mo yung pagiging nega, nakakata ka. This is something, parang 5 of Cups represent sa akin na parang let go of your fear or something na yung get out of your comfort zone. Ito yung sinesense na sa akin na parang you need to something, take some risk na pagdating sa negosyo mo. Additional messages tayo with love life. So this is a Knight of Wands for slowly but surely. And of course, there's a Knight of Pentacles with the security, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo kailangan bantayan tong person mo, no? Hindi mo kailangan siyang bantayan dahil secure siya na maaring talagang ikaw yung mahal niya for long run. Ooh. Additional messages. And this is something of 5 of Wands, no? Marami mang kumuha ng complication or gumawa or competitors, no? Marami mang kumbaga kumontra sa inyong relationship, but eventually you are also a balance. There's a give and take, no? Additional messages about sa health. About sa health mo, there's the Queen of Cups by healing, no? Magkakaroon ka ng healing dito, and there's 6 of Cups. So see, this is something a friend of yours or something katrabaho or kaibigan or either ex, no, na maaaring kumbaga ginawan ka ng hindi maganda, but eventually you are also on a healing session, no? Maaaring nag-proceed ka for a healing session or either nandun ka sa healing process. Okay, let's see. What is additional messages with Money Move Oracle deck, no? Anong chika sa iyo ng ating gabay para sa finances, no? And career. So let's see and watch this. And there's some star power, no? You are this is a step into the spotlight, no? Kumbaga kaya mong pumunta sa isang situation or kaya mong dalhin yung sarili mo na para kumbaga meron kang diskarte. Parang ganun, kaya mong dumiskarte or kaya mong gumawa ng paraan para maging kumita ka ng pera or kaya mong gumawa ng paraan para parang malakas ang mo dito meron na akong gustong sabihin na word. Meron ditong influencer, na malakas yung influence mo sa tao, malakas ang hatak mo, do you have a charm cast or something like that, parang malakas ang atake mo mayroon kang ganong eksena. And this is something duality with a partnership, no? Kumbaga mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-ugnayan, pakikipag-usap, no? Iwasan mo yung yung pagiging arrogante, guys, o yung pagiging yung pagiging mayabang, no? And this is something as past changes, no? Bibilis ang takbo ng buhay mo, unti-unti magbabago, no? Or may mabilis ang pagbabago na mangyayari dito. Take bold step forward. Now, this is something happening suddenly in a short period and hurry. No? Bibilis ang takbo ng eksena dito. So, let's see. Additional messages tayo. About naman tayo sa Romance Angels with a Mystic Love Oracle deck, no? Anong chika sa'yo ng ating gabay? And of course, this is something an enemy. Watch your back. No? See, kumbaga, pagdating sa relationship, now, this is something an enemy. Mayroon talagang and there's something peace. Magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan, no? No, magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan. This is something a peace. And there's a silence. Maging tahimik kasi. Maging tahimik ka. I told you, may sumusabay. Kaya ka lagi nabibigo sa pag-ibig, guys. Or kaya ka laging kasi there's something an evil eye contract talaga. No? Na maaaring pagdating sa relationship na meron taong humihiling para masira ang your relation or either may gumagawa talaga para hindi ka magtagumpay sa pag-ibig mo, no? This is something an enemy behind your back, no? Kumbaga kilala mo siya pero hindi mo alam na siya pala yung gumagawa ng eksena sa iyo. Oh. Additional tayo with Archangel Michael messages. With Archangel Michael messages. And there's your home is protected by angels, no? Protektado naman daw ang inyong tahanan ng ating gabay. And of course, you created this situation and you have the power to change it. Ikaw daw yung naglalagay sa situation mo. Ikaw din yung makakagawa na para makawala ka at makalaya ka dyan. This is something prayer will help you from your situation, no? Ang pagdarasal daw ay makakatulong sa'yo para makawala ka at makalaya ka sa sitwasyong ginagalawan mo. So, iwasan mo magpost sa social media, guys. No, hindi, kumbaga, nandun tayo sa achievements and of course, success na natatamo natin. But eventually, hindi sila natutuwa, guys, no? May mga ngit-ngit sila sa loob nila na maaaring nagtitrigger yon para, diba, gawang ka ng hindi maganda. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. See, I told you, this is something insecurity. See, insecure nga, guys. And this is the enlightenment, no? Kumbaga, bibigyan linaw lahat ng mga kaganapan sa buhay mo. Oh my God, hinihimay-himay talaga. And this is something, guess, no? Mag-ingat ka, no? Kumbaga, tinatanggap mo rin siyang bisita sa iyong tahanan. Or this is something, guess, open, no? Door with your life. No? Maaaring binubuksan mo pintuan mo sa kanya. No? Maaaring, kumbaga, ini-entertain mo siya. And nagbibigay ng information sa kanya. This is something, a door to the personal healing and happiness. No? Bukas ang pintuan para sa kagalingan at kaligayahan dito. At sinasabi sa akin dito with the additional messages. Kumbaga, ito yun biglang magme-message sa'yo. Oy, be, oy, sis, kamusta ka na? Oy, pre, ganito, ganyan. Kamusta ka na, ganito, ganyan. Diba? Kumbaga, hindi mo alam, this is something in hidden agenda. This is something angel of balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance. Hindi lahat ng mga chika at hindi lahat ng mga impormasyon mo ay dapat mong kinukwento. And this is a sun card. Bigyang linaw. Lahat ng mga bagay na posibilidad man na magaganap. This is the healer of the ages, no? Lahat ng mga nakaraang sugat o mga nakaraang, kumbaga, pasakit sa'yo ay maaaring humilom na, no? Kahit gano'n man niyang katagal. So, let's see what is additional messages with the Romance Angels. With the Romance Angels, this is express your love. No? Ipinapakita dito ang pag-ibig mo o yung kakayanan mo or magmahal mo sa isang bagay o tao. And this is something a true love. See, this is something a true love can exist, no? That brings you into a lifetime partner. Wow. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel's answer. And there's a no. Marunong kang humindi, ha? Marunong kang humindi. And this is something perfect timing for you, no? Kumbaga darating to at nangyayari to, no? May mga plano ka sa buhay mo na hindi na isa sa katuparan dahil may mga plano ang Panginoon na mas maganda pa sa plano mo, no? This is something as for ask for help from others. So, kailangan mo rin ng tulong ng ibang tao. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit guide. Oh my goodness. So this is something, a lady mantle with a healing with a mother figure. Oh. And this is something, choices, no? May mga bagay na pipiliin mo. May mga bagay na marami kang pagpipilian. Oh my goodness. And this is something, go for it. May mga bagay na kailangan mong ilaban. So, wait lang guys. May isang card na nalaglag. This is something, boundaries. See? Set your boundaries, guys, no? Sa mga taong nakakasalamuha mo, sa mga taong nakakasama mo, mag-set ka ng boundaries. Hindi lahat ng information mo dapat sinishare mo sa kanila. Lalo-lalo na yung private eksena mo, no? So, let's see what is the Montology. And surrender to the divine. Napakawalan mo yung mga bagay na alam mo hindi mo kontrolado. And don't let past hold you back. Huwag mo na raw balik-balikan ng nakaraan. And step out of your comfort zone. See? I told you. So, na kailangan mong pakawalan yung mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Yung mga bagay na iniiwasan mo. The more kasi yan na iniiwasan mo mangyari, ay mangyayari yan. Kasi, ang Panginoon kasi at ang ating mga gabay, the more na iniiwasan mo isang bagay na mangyari, doon kanya inilalagay. No? Para palakasin ka. And this is something I meditate and contemplate. So, kailangan mo mag-meditate at mag-contemplate dahil pinapalakas ito ang spiritual abilities mo. So, let's see what is additional messages or spiritual knowledge, no? Or dinadagdagan, ganon. And this is something a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance dito. Emotional, practical, physical, and mental. This is a blame. Na may mga bagay kan parang sinisisi or kumbaga, na panghihinayangan, no? Kumbaga, eventually, guys, it's your responsibilities, no? Na, kumbaga, kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa'yo. Kaya kailangan wala kang sising ibang bagay o tao, kailangan sarili mo lamang ang, kumbaga, pagkakatiwalaan mo, no? And this is something unconditional joy. Na meron ka ditong, kumbaga, minsan nagiging maligaya ka or nagiging masaya ka dito sa bagay na to. It's you're also, kumbaga, pet lover, no? Something animal lover, na maaning kumbaga yan yung nagbibigay ng stress free sa'yo. Or kumbaga yung siya, yung stress feeling something like that. Happy feel, no? So let's see what is additional messages with the trust. So kailangan mo magtiwala, no? Magtiwala, and this is something support, no? This is something trust and support, no? Magtiwala ka at sinusuportahan ka ng ating mga gabay. May mga bagay lang dito na you need to pay attention. Kailangan mo makinig, kailangan mo makiramdam. So let's see what is additional messages. And there's something star family. No, this is something a call in support. No, sinusuportahan ka ng mga gabay. This is something a team of souls. So this is something fall into your arms. So this is something surrender. May mga bagay na kailangan bitawan at pakawalan. For Jesus loving quote said. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Angel spirit guides. So this is what things soever you should desire. When you pray, believing that you receive them and you shall have them, no? May mga bagay daw tayo, lahat ng mga bagay na hinihiling natin o pinagnanais na o ninanais natin o pinapangarap daw natin. Kung ayon yan sa kalooban ng Diyos at talaga ipagkakalob sa'yo, ibibigay daw yan. And there's something, watch and pray that you enter not into temptation. Now, see, magdasal at tignan ko ano yung mga bagay na makakasama sa'yo, na mailalayo ka sa tukso at kumbaga kapahabakan, no? Kumbaga lagi mong pakakatandaan na magdasal, magmuni-muni, na humingi ng gabay, no, sa ating mga angel spirit, sa ating Panginoon, na mailayo ka sa hindi magandang pangyayari sa buhay mo. So let's see what is additional messages with the synchronicities. For synchronicities, let's see guys. So this is something gratitudes, no? Kumbaga be thankful sa kung ano nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. And there's something finder loss of lost things, no? May mga bagay dito na hinahanap mo, yung mga bagay na nawala sa buhay mo. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na tingnan mo kung ano yung mga bagay na meron ka o hawak-hawak mo pa. Pahalagahan mo. Kasi may mga bagay na kung ano man yung hawak mo, kung marunong ka magpahalaga, hindi yan mawawala sa'yo. So let's see what is additional messages. Kaya yan tinanggal sa buhay mo, inalis siya kasi may opportunity o may mga bagay na hindi makakabuti sa'yo, no? Kaya be thankful. And there's something, artist, mag-ingat ka, there's something drama. Now, may gumagawa ng drama dito at the same time, there's a delays. No, nakakaranas ka ng delays and cancellations that because of this, something evil, cards with the something greedy or toxicities or either a black magic involved. This is something in child, no? Maring may anak ka. So let's see what is additional messages with the magical fairy messages. And your wish is granted. No, dito matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. At mangyayari nawa. Now, this is a perfect timing. So this is a double clarification of perfect timing now coming for you now. So let's see what is additional messages for this yin and yang oracle deck. And of course, there is something cycle, changes, no? Unti-unti na bababago ang ikot ng kapalaran para sa'yo. And this is something a past luck and suffering, no? Kumbaga, wag mong hayaan na, kumbaga, ang bangungot na nakaraan, ang mag-ano sa'yo, no? Ang humatak sa'yo para hindi ka makabangon sa situation mo. Kumbaga, pakawalan, bitawan ang lungkot ng nakaraan at bitawan ng mga pinagdaanan sa nakaraan. Bagkos bitbitin mo yung mga bagay na may natutunan ka, no? At this is something at autumn with the harvest time. The more na sinusurrender mo lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa from the past, lahat ng mga bagay na yan ma-achieve mo, yung mga pinangarap mo lamang ay maaaring magkatotoo na. So let's see what is an angel's number. For an angel's number represent 666 for a great blessing. So see, kaya nangyayari sa buhay mo ang mga bagay na nawawala. May mga bagay na umaalis kasi may magandang opportunity na inihahain sa'yo at nakatakdang mangyari, no, ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. This is something to nurture yourself. You need to desires and boundaries. Let go of the things that are weighing you down. Make a space for something meaningful and expand your spirit to all areas of your life. That big love, opportunities, or job need to some squeeze in somewhere. So see, this is something a set of boundaries, self-love. No need and good vibes with a wisdom, understanding, let it go. No, pakawalan at bitawan yung mga bagay na hindi nagbibigay ng hindi nagsiserve at hindi nagbibigay ng worth sa iyo. No, so let's see additional messages with the messages of life. Represent searching within, no? This is what I see outside myself is simply a mirror of my inner self. Today, I empower myself by looking past outer conditions and searching within the source of duality in my life. My inner wisdom will always help me face life challenges. It provides me my best answer and my greatest healing. As I study myself, I am transformed, no? Kumbaga, dahil sa mga napagdaanan na natututunan mo, dyan ka pinatibay at pinalakas at pinatibay ang pundasyon mo ng ating Panginoon. And this is something strength. See? Pinalakas at pinatibay, strength, tumindig at tumayo. No? Sinasabi dito, today, I maintain control of my emotion. I rise above self-doubt. I affirm my own power and stand strong in unshakable faith. Today, I know that I have the strength to overcome anything I encounter. I find courage in the truth. I holding tight to the force of love. I interpret over fear. No, ngayon, kumbaga, hinarap ka sa mga bagay na dating ay kinakatakutan mo, dating iniiwasan mo. Ngayon, yun yung nagsilbing kalakasan mo. So, yun sinasabi na, pain is your strength and of course, the strength is your power. So, guys, this is something, a weekly gabay for the month of July 24 hanggang July 31 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!